Good morning! Well, it's not really morning. It's afternoon now. We've all woken up. We're all eating. Guys, it is StanceWars days today. StanceWars day today. Are you pumped?
Absolutely.
Are you pumped?
I'm more pumped for Wekfest.
He's pumped.
But
dude, holy crap, Splash and Dash is a good bit away.
Oh,
where is it?
A good bit away.
Okay, so we're heading to a car wash right now. It's called Splash and Dash, boys.
So sus.
It's near like StanceWars, but this is an hour drive.
Oh my! Boys, we're driving for an hour, so we...
Oh, we're shooting some rollers.
Oh, Rose.
Brandon just wanted to go there, so
No.
closer.
God.
Yeah.
What?
Don't do it with so many people around.
Yeah,
Rose?
that was a bad idea.
Sketchy.
Rose, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna steal shotgun from you if you're cool with that.
Are you on the derby?
Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, well, while Damien figures that out, we're gonna get ready and... All right, Damien got the right one. We'll see you at Splash and Dash. Okay, it's gonna be really windy, unfortunately, but we're at a railroad.
Oh, that's sus. That's sus.
Yo, what?
The Ryobi action?
That is sketch. So, Damien's washing his car right now, but we wanted to explore, so I think we're gonna train up. We're in the States, it's legal. Do you know the trick to feeling if a train's coming? You put your feet on the rail, and if it's vibrating.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I really feel like we're not supposed to be up here.
I didn't see no trespassing signs.
This is true. Okay, so who wants to walk to 24.0?
Yeah, that's like all the way down.
There we go, I made it 240. Man, Seattle's nice, but like, it's very close, like, it's almost exactly like home as well.
The roads here are also absolute garbage.
Oh yeah, worse than ours.
Are you afraid of heights?
Also the traffic.
A little bit. Yeah, that's a little far.
I feel like something's wrong here.
Oh. That's a little questionable.
The threads on that pipe look pretty hooped.
Thread chase them.
Yeah.
Doing anything, to be honest.
I think it's just electrical. Could you imagine walking and just like sewage comes out on your head?
Wow, literally everyone does a U-turn anywhere they can.
Dude, do you not see the insane amount of road rage we saw since we got here? It was chaos. The roads here are chaos.
Yeah.
People go where they want to go.
When they want to go.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
They go where they want to go. When they want to go.
Yo, this thing should be at StanceWars. It's tuck and rim. I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here, but it's cool. How did we beat you here?
Oh, hey everybody.
Oh, you went and got gas?
I got gas.
Got gas?
I got gas, buddy.
Got gas, buddy. Pilot.
Pilot.
A lot of nice cars all lining up. This is all for StanceWars. This is not even like VIP parking or anything. This is crazy. Alright, we're at StanceWars. I can't really keep a lot of this in because of the copyright music. We're just gonna walk around, peruse the cars. I'll probably not have a lot of audio because there's a lot of copyright music playing, obviously. So yeah, let's just get to the cars then.
See that Subaru?
Dude, hey, yo,
Subaru.
Hey, yo, you see that Subaru? Oh. Damn. Yo.
Did you see the Subaru?
Did you see that Subaru? Is it leaking cooler?
What?
Is it leaking cooler?
I think so.
So here we are at
Subaru Fest.
Subaru Fest 2019.
Yeah.
There's some other Make Some Alls here, but
99,
It's mostly a Subaru.
69% Subarus.
Oh, it's 420% Subarus.
What's going on, you
Oh, you guys. All of you.
Oh, straight shot. So many bad cars. Olivia. So it's a Japanese Honda Odyssey front end. Wow. It's an S13. I thought it was a 14. Wow. Wow. This is rare. This is really rare. Ooh, okay. That's an interesting route. Is this goals?
So nice.
Is this goals?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're at Wekfest. Everybody's complaining right now because we just paid 40 US dollars to park.
$50 to park.
Dude, that's
Just to
why-
park.
that's
We
why
have
I tried
tickets
to book
already.
2 spots.
Like, suck
Tickets
my.
were cheaper.
Yeah.
What the
That's ridiculous. How are we feeling about the parking money?
I think David's right. You should have gotten a parking ticket because that's cheaper.
True.
Also, we wouldn't have to pay it when we got home.
True. This is such a joke. Anyways, we will pick this back up inside. Okay, so Wekfest is already like insane compared to StanceWars. It's really, really cool. We're just looking for Steven and Brandon right now. No idea where they are, but there's no turbo. That's awkward. I love me a nice R32. These things are so nice.
Oh shit. It's in the show, dude.
Holy. TE's on a taco. How are we feeling about that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it suits it
Not my
actually.
color, but
Not, yeah.
not bad.
Whoa, what's going on here? Whew. What the Not a lot of people turbo Civics down here. I've seen like 6 already and they're not turbo. I want to see what's going on down here. He's got it jacked up for a reason.
Oh yeah, he's probably super.
Not really. Yeah. Oh, it's the exhaust.
Titanium?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Dude, look at the size of these rim deflectors.
Turbo CRV? Pretty. Whoa!
That's sick.
What the f? I don't know. On camera, it doesn't look as big, but like.
That big too. They're all like that.
Really?
Yep.
Nice. Twin turbo RB26 Stagia, 260 RS, I believe. Whoa. Whoa. This, hey, this thing fricks. Sorry. Right. Nice. Oh my god.
I thought it was the old jet.
Yo. This thing is clean. Oh, slick top is so nice.
750 IL.
This paint looks so good.
I thought it was just
wow. Nice. Whoa.
Old Franklin.
Oof. Such an oof. Goals. Unachievable goals. Also goals. Achievable. Oh, this is Jack Ultramotive. He the guy who makes the YouTube videos like me. R34 GTR. This isn't a Canadian car. How is it here?
It's a what?
Nice.
Nice.
I said if it's not a Canadian car, how is it here? And Damien just smirked. Super nice though. Very questionable though.
Yeah.
Top mount intercooler. V-mounted rad. I think that's what they're called. Wow. Whoa! Odivia. Oh, is this the one we saw last night? Yeah, it is. So this is from a Honda Odyssey, right? A Japanese Honda Odyssey. That's what this front end's from. It really I said it last night. I don't know if I got it on camera, but it really modernizes the car too. Like, it's really nice. I just saw this, so I thought it was Spirit Ray. Oh, but Spirit Ray makes a kit for the Odivia front ends. That's probably why. The overs look good. Like, so little rivets. Car seats, Nardi wheel. Are you telling us the build?
Yep.
What is it?
Forged internals, BC cams, APR heads, precision.
Head studs.
I don't know.
Link standalone. Fully built. Forged internals, ARP head studs. I wonder if his valve train's built. Yours isn't. Pussy.
No.
Build it.
Don't need it.
Rev your car to 75. Oh, I have the hiccups. Nothing's
Nice.
funny.
I'll see.
You want that?
There's no way.
I bet.
I don't think so.
I don't know. Wait.
It's so clean.
That's his in. Oh, that's his intake. I see. Wow.
No, it's like when you have massive blowers. There's a certain type of blower that are like blower cover or
Yeah.
something, and it's called a.
Wow. This is insane though.
I don't know anything about carburation.
Ugh. Look at this piece of crap. How'd it get in the show? Oh yeah. What?
Hear that, Brandon? What a chotch.
Look at that one.
So we have a lot of the Canadian cars. We got Brandon, we got Ian, we got Johnny, Matt. I think that's it.
This is a 32.
What? Oh, it is. What the f? I am on drugs. I'm just kidding, I'm not, but apparently. Everybody loves BRs.
This nice of an engine, this nice of a build, clearly put effort into it, and he slaps a BR into it instead of putting an
Standalone.
actual ECU in
Yeah.
properly.
Wow. Speed six that we saw yesterday. This thing's really cool. Very cholo. What is this? I feel like you're just asking to destroy your transmission with that. That's a bit excessive. S2K's frick, man. They frick hard. Holy. Those are quite stretched.
Yeah.
It's like on the ground.
Yeah.
I really like the black face with the white lip. Whoa. That looks good. That's nice. Is that a Supra? Bro, is that Supra? That's cool. This is another local car. It's Bag Barn's new build. I think the guy who drives it's name is Tyler, but I don't know for sure. Yeah, that's like, I think that's a Spirit Ray or Veilside kit. Well, it's Veilside. Alright, and just like that, Wekfest is over.
Over and out.
Over and out.
Yeah.
We're not ending it right there. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. It is the next day. We're currently packing up the house, trying to get organized and get out of here and head home. So, Raph, quick, say bye to the vlog. Bye. Bye. Brett, quick, say bye to the vlog. Quick, say bye to the vlog. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for coming out.
That's totally fine.
What?
You missed our head completely.
Oh, really?
Oh, man. Look at this.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog.
It was great. So, as per usual, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.